be delivered in 2 minutes and 2 hours. And, please bear with my attire ha, kay gikan sa ko sa nag-appeal sa inyo ang kuhan, PD's Cup, shoot fest ninyo. Wala ko mag-ilis, ritual lang ko diri. Okay? So, before I proceed with my, the meat of my message, it is indeed a great honor and privilege to have you and use my humble kingdom, the Rob's Riverside Resort, as the venue for your 19th anniversary. And congratulations pala sa inyo. Congratulations, palakpakan natin. And congratulations also to our newly promoted officer, Police Major Retes. Dungan na mo ni De Leon, o ni Hepe sa San Jose, o promote. O burger naman dyan. Palakpakan natin, newly promoted. Okay. Kunting kaalaman lang, background lang sa lugar ko, sa dito sa ano. Bakit Rob's ang pangalan? Ang pangalan ng video. Of course, Rob's contraction sa apelyido ko, Rabay. Yeah. Dali naman kung mahimduman o magkuhan ka mo, ragang kag-eleksyon, Rob's, dali ra kayo mahimduman. Is Alacan graduate in the person of Police General Nicolas Diloso Torre III. Classmate ko yun, si Torre. Sobrang talino dun. When we graduated from the PNP, pareho kaming number 4 ni Torre. Pero kung yung vocabulary ko ay pang-international, sa kanya intergalactic. Grabe, sobrang talino. Because we are leaders in our own way. Leader in your family, leader in your community. So, you can apply it. Okay? So I hope I have sent a very good message on you, and hopefully it will be useful as you go along with your career. So after here,